Hello everyone, I'm Frank from NovaStar, and now I'm in InfoComm 2026. And today I'd like to introduce our 5G and 10G solution from NovaStar. Look at this first. And the product, CVTX, is our latest converter. And we will launch it in October. And it's suitable for 1G and 5G solution. So it has two working modes. And for 1G, we just think it's a CVT10. One optical fiber connect to the CVTX as input and output with the 10 1G Ethernet port. Okay, and the second working mode is for 5G. It can support 4 optical ports, 4 10G optical port, and output with 8 5G Ethernet port. And export with 4 Cat2A cable, and can take one 4K screen. Okay, that's our 5G solution. If you want more information, you can scan our website www.novastar.tech. Thank you.